Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to enable Force Zoom in the VIA browser on your mobile device. This feature allows you to zoom in on any website, even if the site normally restricts zooming. First, open VIA browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu icon. Then, tap on Settings to access the browser configuration options. Inside the Settings page, find and tap on General. After that, select Site Configuration from the settings list. Finally, tap on Text Size and now, look for the option that says Enable Force Zoom. Turn this option on by tapping the switch next to it. Once it is enabled, you can zoom in on any website regardless of restrictions. You should now be able to pinch and zoom freely without limitations. Thanks for watching and enjoy a better browsing experience.